Okay, when you log into the site, you're going to come into your own timeline. So think about Facebook, you come into your own timeline. We wanted you to come into your own timeline here. And so let me just give you a few goals of what happened. Of course, your profile, we'll talk about your profile in a minute, filling all this stuff out. Super easy. I got a badge here, the Foundation Builder, 100 points for doing the certain things that it told me to do. Okay, and so this is a new community, and this is really a new platform. Our community isn't new. We're just trying to move people over to this platform. So, it says who I am and all. And one of the things about it is, and we'll get on profile in a minute, but it's really important to have your profile there, and I'll talk about that over there. So who you're following, okay, here's your news feed. So if you want to share something, you go ahead and put it on there, and you can make it public, or you can send it to one of your groups or whatever. So there's your news feed right here. Your connections are here, people that you're following. Okay, these are pieces of information that we put on here. Blog posts, why should I choose your firm? I mean, that's what consumers are asking. So we keep adding information on here. Skill reel is really, videos. Some different videos about different things. As we continue to produce videos that we want you to see, we put on here new ones. And then you can see top story. We've got a calendar here. We're adding a weekly event called Open Mic. So that's coming. Latest updates of all of the things that you want to know is right there. So your timeline, your personal timeline is everything. Okay, so if you want to get into the main news feed, you just click here. Okay, and it'll drop you right into the main news feed where you're getting all the information, not just things that you asked that you want. And I'll show you how to get what you want in your profile, in your timeline in just a minute.